Okay, now what do we got? Harley Davidson packing material again. Looks like they got a hole in it though. Can't use this in a new bag anymore. Ah, a Harley bag. It's like going to the Harley store. It's only got a small hole in the bottom. It's one of those automatically lightening bags. So as you're walking down the street, it gets lighter. Racing. Yeah, good stuff. Alright, so this is a Harley Davidson. This was from Wisconsin. Imported. Got a phone number and everything. Was it MAU Stun? Mustin? I don't know, I can't read. Wisconsin Dells. Whatever. Read it better on this side. There you go, free advertising. Garbage. Okay, this is a panhead backing plate for a front brake. Appears to be missing just about everything. It has this chemical preservative all over the place called muck. That's a combination of grease and dirt. So it has the pivot here in the washer, which is nice. This washer is not stock. The lock washer and the nut probably is, but the washer here is not. Other than that, that's all stock. This fits 49 to 68. It's cast finish, not polished. That's good. Doesn't appear to be broken. It's been dropped right here. See how it's flat spotted right there? It's been dropped. You can knock that out with a hammer lightly. Be careful. Little piece of wood in there and tap on it. It'll pooch that out a little bit. Put on a hard table right here like this. Down here. Put this on a 4x4 and hit it right there with a piece of wood. Knock that edge back out a little bit. If you hit it too hard, you break it, so be careful. Or ignore it because it's on the bottom, you can't see it. So there's your cast number right there, -48. So this one looks pretty good. It's not corroded or anything. It's actually pretty nice shape. Not rusty. Pivot looks good. Threads in here are good. It's a nice looking one, except for that dent down here, which see if I can work that out a little bit, a little body work. Good little piece. So it's a nice one. I like it. Good to go. Another one. I have more than one of those. Alright, that's it for that one.